So I actually think one of the biggest mistakes that people make when deciding to invest in real estate is not getting educated first. Basically there's two paths that people can take in this game. One path is doing it all yourself and learning the hard way how to manage units, buy property. But what a lot of people fail to recognize is that path becomes a second job, and it's a hard path. And if you want to do it really well and do it successfully enough to where you've got financial freedom, it's really a full-time job. Why BAM exists, or sponsors like me exist, is because a lot of people shouldn't go down that first path. They've already got a career that they're successful in, maybe a family, maybe they've got hobbies, travel, sports, whatever, that's really taking up most of their time already. And if they sat down and thought about it, they don't really have the time for another full-time job. And why we exist is because we can partner with people, use the benefit of all our education, our operating expertise, all the things that we've learned the hard way, and we can partner with big pools of investors which generate large pools of capital, which allow us to buy bigger, nicer properties than just going out and buying a single family home or a duplex or even a fourplex. I did all that when I started because I wanted to learn how to execute at a high level before taking on investor capital. And so I had to start with the small properties, working 24/7. I mean, there were times when I was managing deals and I was doing it all where my phone would go off on a Saturday night and my blood pressure would immediately go up because I knew that was an emergency call on the other side. And that was okay for me because I had a big vision of owning a big company and doing this at a big level. So I needed to do all these jobs and learn this whole thing in order to be able to do that. Most people really shouldn't be full-time real estate investor operators. Most people should focus on their talents and what they're good at. And then when they're not working, they're enjoying their marriage, their kids, their hobbies, their travel, all of the above, whatever that may be. And instead take that capital and partner with full-time operators who have a great track record of doing it.